Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
When you use Gmail, you might see an option to send something inline, especially when dealing with photos or screenshots. Sending inline means placing an image or a document directly inside the body of your email message rather than adding it as a separate attachment at the bottom. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows your recipient to see the visual content exactly where you want it to appear as they read your text. Instead of forcing someone to click on a file name and wait for a preview to load, the image shows up instantly right between your sentences. To do this, you can drag an image file from your computer and drop it directly into the Compose window of your Gmail account. You can also click the Insert Photo icon at the bottom of the screen and choose the inline option instead of the attachment option. This method is perfect for providing step-by-step instructions where a picture helps explain a specific point. It makes your emails look more professional and keeps the reader engaged with your story. If you choose the attachment option, the file sits in a separate box at the very end of the email. Inline images can be resized easily by clicking on them and dragging the corners to fit your layout perfectly. This helps you maintain a clean look for your business or personal messages. Most people prefer inline images because they are more convenient and look great on both mobile devices and desktop computers. By using this tool, you ensure your message is clear, visual, and easy to understand.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.